What's up, everybody? Welcome to Quarter Flips. I'm Dave. I have a new scheme. I'm really excited about. We need a new car here. And you've seen the video about my car getting stolen a little while back, what kind of condition that thing is in. And I mentioned that I just had a fender bender in Michael Ann's car. We've got to do something about cars, and it's not really something we can do right at the moment. So I'm like, what can I do to move that along, to get closer to something that will solve that problem for us? And I came up with the idea of a $1 to a new car challenge on my channel. Here's how this is going to work. I'm going to take $1 to a warehouse garage sale that's going on this morning. And if I can't find anything there, I'll go to some estate sales or other garage sales that I can find today, hopefully. And I'm going to find one item that costs $1 that I can put up and sell. And whenever it sells, I can come back and take the money and account for things like taxes and shipping and whatever's left over, take that money and go buy more stuff, keep track of that, roll that using reselling, using that power of that money snowballing up, get to the point where I can walk onto a lot and buy a brand new car. This will probably take 5 years, but I might as well get started now. You know, when I look back at things that happened 5 years ago, it was just like yesterday. I think this could work. I think it could. As I go with this, I'll clarify the rules on how this is going to work. Figure out a percentage that I need to take out of every sale to cover things like taxes and all of that. All the details, the nitty gritty. But they will be a different type of video that I do on this channel. I'll keep doing the normal reselling stuff that I've been doing. But every once in a while, when I have an update on the $1 to new car challenge, I'll put up those videos and you can see how it rolls. And hopefully when it's all said and done, it'll be kind of a cool example of how you can take one little seed of reselling and plant it and grow it into something big. And obviously it takes more than $1 to do that. You have to basically have your reselling tools in place. You know, you need a phone or some kind of a camera. You need a computer, or I guess you can list from your phone. I don't. I list from a desktop. And you need to have an account and a bank account and all those things in place. It's not like just anybody can do this, but most people that can put together a little bit of effort, have a place to do this kind of work, and have a little bit of funds they can put into it, can do this. Yeah, so let's see what happens. So here's our Honda Fit. Michael Ann did a great job getting this car over 10 years ago, brand new off of a lot. She got it for a steal. She was actually it was quite terrifying watching her haggle and wheel and deal on this car. They don't know what hit them. We got it for a fantastic price. But if you look over here, it's probably hard to see because of the color of the thing. This damage right here, this happened when I was pulling out of a parking spot at my post office, and a BMW that had passed went into reverse and backed back into me. So this really called our attention to the fact that our one good vehicle that is still functioning and still somewhat reliable, although like I said, it is over 10 years, it's just been kept up very nicely. This could be gone at any time. And if this goes, that leaves us with this thing. This car has been in my videos before. Look, yeah, here's some wonderful damage. This happened in a gas station the week I bought it. Someone pulled out of a parking spot and backed into me while I was getting gas. And then, of course, if you watch my video about my car being stolen, you'll know why there's a club on this over 20-year-old Subaru and why my door is ripped apart like this. Damage like that. This is just, yeah. Yep. She's not long for this world, unfortunately. Hey, look, it's got a quarterback sticker, though. Yeah, needs new tires, check engine lights on. It's about done. So it is time to go spend $1. Got $1 in quarters right here. Go spend this $1, find something that I can sell, and ultimately get a brand new car. Let's do this. All right, let's check this out.
Hey. Cam?
What's that?
You're carrying a GoPro.
I got a little GoPro going today. I thought I'd come check out the sale.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
You cool with this?
Yeah.
With GoPro?
Yeah, no problem.
All right, I'm on a mission, man. I've got to find something for $1 today.
Well, we got it. I know that. You been here before?
I have. Well, I mean, it's all new stuff, I think, since the last time I was here.
Well, then I don't need to give you my rap.
Yeah. Oh,
There's
yeah.
always something new here. You never know.
Oh, right on. Oh, cool sign up there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I had that made about 15 years ago. It used to say Peerless Pie on it.
Peerless Pie?
Yeah, and that was a place that was on Broadway where the Starbucks was there, and then there was Winchell's before that. But I went and had it remade like that. It turned out perfect.
That's cool. So what? They just took the lights off and gave you new letters, huh?
Yeah.
Peerless Pie. That was up on Broadway on Capitol Hill in Seattle.
Yeah. Right by the I don't know if you ever remember where Winchell's was. I mean, that might.
That was quite a while. That might have even been before I was in Seattle.
Now it's the Mexican restaurant there, La Cocina or whatever.
Nice.
A little bar.
All right. Well, let me go look through some of this stuff. Well, it's a lot. It's a lot to take in.
Yeah, it's always changing around here, man. It's always different. Always.
Cool. How much for your imitation security camera?
Oh yeah. That right there, I'd take like probably $3.
That's awesome.
$2.
$2 for that?
Yep.
Hold on. I still have to find something for $1, but that's pretty cool. I may have to do that just for fun.
Sounds good. I guess we'll see you when you get here. Why do I feel so tall right now? Look, that wasn't as. I wasn't. So I didn't feel. No, it had nothing to do with you. I did feel tall. It's weird. It must be the looking down the thing. That's what it is. Yeah, I thought I was teasing it, but I wasn't. Yeah. So you're on your way here pretty soon. 11:30 you live here? Okay.
Dragon dice. Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, wait a minute. Hold on.
Okay, boss. I found some comments that I like. But I'm
I'm going back
overdoing
here
it.
to make some deals here. Really dry. When you're doing comics, even though they're exact,
This might be my $1 item. We'll have to go see.
Every single thing you picked up is down for you.
Anything that I pick up is like,
Nah, I give you good love, man. You deserve a good deal. I always give you a good deal. You are a good customer. Yeah, but look when I show Lisa what you did to her comics, he says he's careful with the comics because they're all like just rifled.
oh,
I mean, I'm not even kidding you there, right? Look, I wish I could show you how much you rifled with like nobody's good at it. He did. Comics there for $3. At least $100. Oh, I guarantee it. Yeah. And this one right here, somebody. Hey, look. Somebody wanted $5 for this. And wait a minute. No. You're downplaying this one. Here's another one here. This is all.
this is, I don't even know. I have to be honest with you.
So $40. All this stuff. Yeah.
Okay, this one might be better. This one might be better.
Just hold it more than oh yeah. So you got you better grab it.
Okay. Next one. It's too much again. Okay, so.
And what do you got?
Well, I was wondering, will you do a buck for this?
What is that?
It's from the book section.
Yeah, I think I'll do that for you.
Yeah.
Look at that, 4 quarters.
Quarter? What are these?
I don't have a dollar bill on me.
Quarters?
Quarters.
Wow. I get a quarter of a cup of coffee.
Well, you know, it adds up, right? Incrementalism over the day.
Yeah, you're right.
All right.
Dollar here, dollar there. Yeah, you're right. It's always a pleasure with you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. This is cool. This reminds me of my youth.
Your ute.
My ute.
Your ute.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I'm back. Success. $1 for GURPS Fantasy, the magical world of Yurth. GURPS. I believe GURPS stands for Generic Universal Roleplay System, or Unified Role-Playing System. I think the idea was one set of rules works for all different settings. Maybe I'm wrong about that. I don't know. Steve Jackson Games. These were always around when I was younger, when I was in high school looking into this stuff. I never played it. I was always interested. There was always a certain sort of person that was into GURPS, and I didn't really know any of those people, so I didn't get the insider scoop on it. But yeah, I'm going to put this up, and we'll see. I'm going to price it to sell. So if I'm lucky, when all is said and done, I hope I'm going to have $4 or $5 profit, and I can take that $4 or $5 and roll that up and buy something bigger, make more money, get a car. Okay, yes, I did buy this one also. I bought a few other things when I was there after I did this. The reason why I didn't do the, generic universal role-playing system. It's right there on the front of this. This is the basic 3rd edition rules. This was also $1, and the reason why I didn't do this one is because it's just got some schmutz on the back and some writing on it. I don't know how much damage I'm going to encounter once I go through this book, how much writing is in it. So I wasn't sure about this one. I think I'll probably have a little more luck with this one here. So yeah, of course, I also had to come away with the imitation security camera. That was just cracking me up, and he sold it to me for $2. So this doesn't count towards the car, but it makes me laugh. So do I want to set this up somewhere? If I had an overhang looking at my car, I could maybe discourage thieves. Okay, so let's see if I can make a car out of this thing. How long will it take? That's interesting, right? It's interesting for me. Hopefully it'll be interesting for you, and hopefully it'll be a good reason to subscribe to the channel so you can follow along and see how long it takes to roll this up into a brand new car. Paid for with cash. Roll it right off the lot. I don't know if that's how it works. We'll probably sit in an office all day and argue about undercoat and stuff and how much I actually get for buying it cash versus having to finance it. That's down the line. But in the meantime, please like, please subscribe, and thank you so much. I will see you next time.